Hey guys, this is another video for the Harbor Freight green bandsaw. We've been cutting a lot more titanium here the past couple of days, so I figured I'd put an updated video on the cut speed and everything. The stuff we did before was 047 wall. This is some elbows that are 079, so just going to show you how fast we go through this stuff. This is dry cut with a 14 tooth per inch blade, Lennox brand. We've already started a cut just a little bit. We got it clamped in there pretty tight. We're just taking a couple degrees off this elbow. Again, we're using that channel right there to make sure we're cutting straight on the radius. You can see how much better it goes through the thicker stuff. It just don't flex the material as much. Once it gets towards the bottom right there, I'm about to fall over. Once it gets towards the bottom, anytime you have anything in this vise, with the bends it's not as bad because it's got the, where it goes up right there, holds it a lot better. But if this was a round piece, just a straight round piece, when it gets towards the bottom, it gets on a good leverage point with the blade and it'll try to roll it in the vise. So you got to make sure that you've got it clamped good. But with the really thin stuff, you can't clamp it too much because it'll oval the pipe, and whenever it does, it'll cut crooked. So just pay attention to that. But you can see, I think our last video was 10 minutes long to make one cut. And we're going to be right at 4 minutes to go through this, so half the time. That's it.